If you're trying to decide between Cloudflare Registrar and Namecheap, the easiest way to make the right choice is to compare what matters most to you: price, features, and how simple you want the whole experience to be. In this video, I'll walk you through the decision step by step so you can choose the best domain registrar for your needs. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Let's get into it. First, if your main priority is low renewal cost, Cloudflare Registrar is usually the better option. Cloudflare sells domains at the registry cost, which means there is no extra markup added on top. That can make a big difference over time, especially if you plan to keep your domain for years. So if you want the cheapest long-term option, Cloudflare is often the smarter pick. Now, if you want a more traditional domain registration experience, Namecheap may be the better fit. A lot of people prefer Namecheap because it feels familiar, straightforward, and easy to manage if you're used to standard registrar dashboards. It also gives you a simple domain management experience, which can be appealing if you want everything in one place without overthinking the setup. Next, and this is important, don't compare only the first-year price. A lot of people get focused on the initial discount and forget about renewals, but renewal pricing is what really affects your total cost over time. For example, Namecheap's current .com renewal price is listed at $18.48, while Cloudflare charges the registry's list price, so if you're buying a .com and plan to keep it for the long haul, that renewal difference can matter a lot. Another reason to choose Cloudflare is if you already use Cloudflare DNS or Cloudflare security tools. In that case, having your domain registrar tied closely into the Cloudflare ecosystem can make management easier. You can take advantage of integrated DNSSEC and other Cloudflare security features without needing to piece everything together from different services. That can be a big convenience if you already trust Cloudflare for performance and protection. On the other hand, if you prefer a more feature-rich registrar experience and you like the way Namecheap organizes domain management, then Namecheap still makes a lot of sense. Some users value the interface, the tools, and the overall workflow more than the absolute lowest renewal price. So the best choice really depends on your priorities. Here's the simplest way to decide. If you're mainly buying and renewing .com domains and you care most about saving money long-term, I'd choose Cloudflare Registrar. If you prefer Namecheap's interface and domain management features, then Namecheap is a solid choice too. In short, Cloudflare is usually the better value for long-term domain ownership, while Namecheap is better if you want a more traditional, easy-to-use registrar experience. If this video helped you decide, please like the video and subscribe for more clear, practical software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.